Hello everyone, welcome. This is Chise Dilemos. Today we will discuss about Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world. So this video in specific is a step-by-step guide into how to register to Binance for the first time. First thing first, let's visit Binance. Especially attention on when you put it the URL, because the reason I'm saying that is because of scams. There is a lot of scammers out there trying to get your details. So always look to see if you have this pad up here with the Binance. So the first step when you land into this page is to click into register. Bear in mind that we will leave a link, a link on this video description down there, which is my link referring you to Binance. And then if you use that link to sign up into Binance, you will get up to I believe it's from 10 to 100 USDT tether. It's like it's not guaranteed. It's a price draw that you might get from 10 to 100. Plus you get 20% return on your first deposit. So as you can see here, Binance saying register now and get up to 100 USDT in trading fee rebated for all the users that do the verification. So if you use my link, you will get that plus between 10 up to 25% return on your first deposit. So bear that in mind. Anyway, going back into what we were discussing, the first thing to do if you decide to join Binance using my referral link, you're gonna get here on this, you're gonna land on this page and click on this button, register. Depending on your language, normally in English, you will be there. But depending if Chinese or Arabic, I believe is different. So you have different options to sign into Binance. You can use your email, you can use your phone number, you can use your Gmail or Google account, or you can use your Apple ID account to sign up. If you have already an account, then this video is not for you. But if you are signing up as a business, then you can use this link down here. Okay? I will, because I already have a Binance account, but I will use and create a different user just for the purpose of this video. So I decide to use an email. So I click here, and then it will point me to a form where I have to put my email. So I will put my email here, which I'll say and then you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click next, and then of course it is a captcha that they want to verify if you are a true person or you are a robot. So you just need to click on the images where it is a dog to identify a dog. Then of course on your captcha will be different, but just look on what is written here and then click accordingly. Then click verify, and it says, and you're gonna go into the email that you put. They will send you a verification code to the and then I'll click in submit. If you haven't received, you could click again. So then now it's asking me to create a password. So because I have a password manager, I will ask my password manager to generate it, and then I'll click, and my password manager automatically will save my account. So my account was created. As you guys can see, that was very, very easy. So then I'll say I agree to receive marketing updates from Binance. I can say no, or just leave as it is there. And then I'll say done because I don't want to for now. So then I'll say done. Next step will be to log in into Binance and to enable two-factor authentication. Okay, this is the location where I am. That's where I registered from. So then he asked me to verify my account. I can put all these details. So I advise you to send something like your driving license, and then you have to do the liveness check, which is a quick video which you do on your phone, and a questionnaire, and then you click and then you can do either scan this QR code and go to your phone, which I'm not doing because I already have an account, and I'll click here. For me, I'll say save and exit for now. And of course, if I complete, they'll send me the 100 USDT, up to 100 USDT in rewards. But because my user is a bogus, because I already have, I'm just doing this for the sake of this video, then I'll say confirm that I want to leave, because I want to show you the next step for this is to enable the two-factor authenticator. When I finish this video, I was just gonna delete this account. So this is the Binance account which I created that user. As the user is not yet verified, there are lots of things that are not yet enabled on the account. So next step is, okay, let me go into security. Go into your user log or icon. Go into security after dashboard. As you can see, I'm not verified yet. Go into security, click there, and then on security, I expect to get the option to enable two-factor authenticator. He's thinking. So there is several ways on the two-factor authenticator. On my real account, I have the passkeys and biometrics enabled. I have the authentication app enabled, and I have something else, the login and password, of course. I'm not into phone number because, well, for some reasons, as not 100% confident on that. So for this episode, I am enabling the Google Authenticator using the Google Authenticator app. So what this is gonna do, it will generate a QR code that I have to scan on a app called Google Auth, which you have to download on the Google App Store if you're on an Android. But if you are on the iPhone, I'm not sure if it's available for the Apple Store, but I believe it is. So the app Google Authenticator is something that will look like this. When you download, is like, that's the symbol, so the official one, and then make sure that you get from Google LLC, download onto your phone, and then when you have it ready, click here on the Binance, on this link where you were before, click an authentication app enable. It will create that, it will send a code to my email to verify that is actually me, enable the two-factor. I have to go about again on my email and say get the code. Always click on that thing to get the code. So wait a little bit on your email for the code to reach you, and then you have to put the code in here. So for me, it will be 986089. This code is temporary, it's not permanent. Then, because every time it generates again and again and again. So what you're gonna do, you will, with your phone, with the Google Authenticator enabled on your phone, you will scan this code. Yeah, so you will scan this code, you will scan the QR code, and your phone, your Google Authenticator will start generating a code of 6 numbers, which after you get on your phone, yeah, you click next, and then you have to put the codes that your phone is showing. Bear in mind that this code on your phone lasts for 60 seconds or less. I think it's 15 seconds, not 50 seconds. Then I will do submit, and when I put the code correctly, this is enabled. The two-factor authentication on my Google account, on my Binance account, is now enabled. I have as you can see here, authentication app on, email on. So I don't want to enable anything else. I could enable pass keys and biometrics, but because this account is just for demonstration, I'm not gonna do. The next thing is to look to Binance terms and conditions, read them down. Let me open on your browser and make sure that you read Binance Terms of Use so you understand what the platform can offer you. Do the complete security check by make sure your all your setup in terms of security are done. Do your identity verification, which you have to submit your documentation, your ID, could be your passport or driving license or ID cards, and then you have to send a proof of address. When you finish all these steps, then after your account is verified, you are ready to use Binance. And of course, as a verified user, your next step will be to understand how you use Binance, how you take advantage of this amazing platform. And this is gonna be our next video, where we're gonna go into explaining how you make the first deposit into Binance, how you make a withdrawal, and other things you can learn about Binance. And for now, I just have to thank you. I hope we've been informative. I hope we added some value. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments and share this video with your network so we can continue to grow and bring more interesting subjects. Thank you very much, and see you next time.